Hi YouTube, it's only been about 2 years since I posted. Welcome back to my channel. I know no one missed me. Anyways, today we are gonna be donating clothes. Okay, I just wanna show a couple pieces that I'm gonna miss particularly more than others. Like, I'm getting rid of this cashmere sweater. It was super cute, it was super expensive, but I accidentally shrunk it. Washed it, didn't realize it was in the hamper. Don't know why I put it in the hamper in the first place, because it's dry clean only, and yeah, now she's done for. Remember when Michael Kors was popular? I don't think I ever wore this, like literally ever. Interesting concept, I guess. Okay, these are just like, they're cute. I got them in Italy. They're just like kind of too ripped, you know? Also, the material is like the cheapest thing I've ever felt ever. Remember when polo was trendy too? Weird times. I don't think I ever actually wore this. I would just go in there and buy stuff and then like never wear it. Let's bag these all up. I'm over this already. This shirt's fucking hideous. Ugh. This shirt, I tried to make it work. I really tried. I don't know what it is. It just was like not cute. Every time I tried to put it on, I would get roasted. I don't think it's that bad. Like, what is, it's a lot. It's a little abstract, I know, but like, it's not that bad. Y'all need to calm down. I like colorful things. As you can tell by my necklace. Bling bling, bitch. Shine bright like a motherfucking diamond. Also, it's my friend Joie's birthday in a couple days, and she's coming with me to donate these clothes. So I'm wrapping her gift early, and I'm gonna bring it to her, and then I'm gonna be like, oh, can you just like check the trunk and see if you like left anything there? And then boom, that's gonna be there. Wait, that plan doesn't work. Anyway, we'll just figure it out.
A few moments later.
Oh, I think you left something in my trunk, by the way.
What?
I think you left something in my trunk.
What are you doing?
Is that yours?
Is that mine?
I think this is yours. I don't... Yeah, this is...
Are you giving me my birthday present early?
No!
What is this?
You left it in my trunk!
I'm gonna open this in the car.
Okay.
This was good. This was so... I was like, it's gonna be a nice sweater.
No.
I love a good sweater.
No.
Okay.
No. See, I wanted to trick you. I wanted to make you think...
You did trick me.
Yeah. I wanted to make you think it was Vince.
Yes.
And it's she ain't Vince.
You tricked me.
Back at the Goodwill. Our spot at this point.
Are they closed?
Are they closed?
Are you open? Yeah, we're open. You got...
Are you even giving this information out?
It's a federal tax ID for Goodwill.
Don't steal my shit. I'll just use the light because it's not good lighting. Wait, you don't like my lighting?
It's like, this looks like it was like, this just looks...
It looks awful.
Yeah.
You know what this kind of looks like?
Vintage.
Yeah, like kind of like shit. But that's...
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back. It's obviously night. We went out to a restaurant.
Don't show them my house. You better lower that
Hey.
camera and go.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.